Hi, yeah, we're Muskets from Brighton.
Hi, we're Rain, we're a rock band.
What's up? We're Milk Teeth. We're in the van right now. We're out here at Portsmouth, Al's Burritos.
There's lots of people in sombreros.
We started off quite small and then we were just like sort of getting in with sort of other DIY bands and going to new places, making loads of sort of new friends and stuff like that. It's like quite a tight community, so this is what we sort of love about it, and you get to meet people from all over the country, and then when you go there again, it's like, no, they're there, and like, ah.
We're Muskets from Brighton.
We met college, the guys at college, and Isaac put out our first tape, and that was probably the start of it for us with DIY. And yeah, through it we've like been able to like go to some awesome shows, meet some awesome bands. It's just been like some really cool like scene. Love it.
And I guess that I'm not fine, and I've been telling myself for a long time, but see, the truth is a lie when I say that the world doesn't weigh much. No, doesn't weigh much.
I think it's crucial to have because it's kind of like a big old family that everyone's part of, and everyone kind of like helps each other get shows and looks out for each other. And I just think it's brilliant. We like all these bands that play and like follow them and stuff. It's just great to be part of it, especially first show. It's kind of like less pressure because no one really knows anything about it.
We played with them before as well, they're good to play with.
With the last band.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little shows are the best.
Stage dive.
Well, there's no stage.
Well, yeah, jump then.
No, I like little rooms.
Yeah.
Oh no,
The kids usually go nuts as
Yeah.
well. First shows we played were like house shows and a lot of floor shows, kind of like tonight. That's what we started with.
friends.
So yeah, it's similar.
Play any show you can get.
Anybody.
We
Don't
drove
be
to
picky.
Manchester for like 6 hours, played the show, got paid like nothing, and then went home and went to work the next day. Because you have to do that, and it's fun. Like that's what it's
Play as
about.
many shows.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Play
just play
anywhere.
anywhere for any money and tell your parents that it's a real job.
Yeah.
That you don't need to be an IT technician.
Get a haircut, get a real job. Don't join a band. Get a haircut, get a real job.
Be a white
Go to
collar
school.
worker.
Be 100%
Make
cool.
your father proud.